POMAIKAI Soprano Ukulele for beginners, guitar 21-inch ukulele instrument for adults. Wood guitar small Hawaiian ukulele starter with gig bag, light blue. Premium kids ukuleles, real basswood body with a high gloss finish creates clear, crisp and melodious sound. The fret wires are smooth and do no harm to your fingers. This mini cute ukulele has 12 frets on the hardwood fingerboard, producing different tones for a song. Kmise Ukulele Soprano Ukelele 17-inch mini travel pocket ukulele for kids, beginners, adults. Real ukulele, made from top quality mahogany. This ukulele has the same warm and loud sound as a regular soprano or concert ukulele. Trendy Soprano Ukulele for beginners 21-inch Hawaiian ukulele for kid, adult, student with gig bag, light blue. MIRIO Concert Ukulele Beginner Kit, 24-inch ukulele mahogany wood for beginners, kids, adults, professional kit with case, carbon strings, tuner, strap, 3 picks present gift. Discover the unique melodic sound of our elite ukulele starter pack. Now you can teach yourself the ukulele thanks to our all-inclusive beginner's kit that includes a 24-inch concert ukulele. Mini size, 17-inch small size ukulele is easy for kids to carry and play. It is also a portable musical instrument's choice for adult travel. Keep in tune. High-quality ukulele strings with 18:1 tuning ratio. This pocket ukulele can keep ukulele in tune well.